Did you know that shadowing can improve your English fluency up to 3 times faster than traditional methods? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to shadow effectively, step by step. By the end, you'll hear the difference in your own speech, guaranteed. Have you ever noticed how some people pick up English faster than others? The secret isn't magic. It's shadowing. Shadowing means repeating what you hear immediately, like an echo. You listen to English and say the words out loud at the same time, or a split second later. This simple trick helps your brain connect listening and speaking naturally. Many learners try shadowing, but make small mistakes that slow them down. Some wait too long to repeat, making it harder to catch the rhythm. Others pick materials that are too fast or too difficult, which can frustrate them. Some people focus only on words they know and ignore the rest, missing chances to learn. Shadowing isn't the same as passive listening. When you just listen, your brain doesn't practice making sounds. Shadowing forces you to move your mouth and hear yourself at the same time. This builds muscle memory for pronunciation and helps you notice details like linking sounds between words. Science shows why this works. Studies in language learning found that shadowing activates more parts of your brain than regular listening. It strengthens connections between hearing and speaking. The more you do it, the faster your brain processes English sounds. Some research even suggests shadowing improves sentence patterns in your memory. Here's how real learners use shadowing successfully. One student practiced with short weather reports every morning. She focused on copying the intonation, not just words. Another learner shadowed his favorite movie scenes 10 times each, noticing new details every time. A third person recorded herself shadowing and compared it to the original audio to spot differences. Shadowing fixes pronunciation problems naturally. If you struggle with certain sounds, hearing and repeating helps your mouth adjust. The rhythm of English becomes clearer when you try to match a native speaker's pauses and stresses. You start to feel where the music of the language lives. Soon, you'll learn specific steps to begin shadowing the right way. But first, remember this. Consistent shadowing can triple how fast you improve. 1 month of daily practice makes a real difference. Now let's make this practical with simple steps you can start today. The key is to begin with easy material and short sessions. Many people quit because they expect too much too soon. With the right approach, just 10 minutes a day changes everything. Next, I'll show you exactly how to set up your first shadowing session so it works for you. Remember, every expert speaker started where you are now. Progress comes faster when you practice smart, not just hard. Let's turn this powerful technique into your daily habit. In the next part, we'll get specific about materials, timing, and how to measure your improvement step by step. How to start shadowing today. You can start improving your English today with shadowing. All you need is a quiet space, headphones, and a short audio clip. Your phone or computer works fine. Pick a time when you can focus without interruptions. Comfort matters too. Sit where you can relax and speak clearly. Many learners quit shadowing after a few tries. They think they're not good at it right away. Some feel silly talking to themselves. Others get tired quickly because they pick material that's too hard. People often skip days, then forget why they started. The ones who succeed start small and stay steady. Here's how to do your first shadowing session. First, choose a 30-second clip of slow, clear English. Listen once without speaking to get familiar with it. Now play it again and try to say the words just after you hear them, like an echo. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep going. If you miss words, that's okay. Do this 3 times with the same clip. After, rest for a minute and drink water. Choose in material matters. For A1 and A2 learners, pick slow conversations or children's stories. The speaker should clearly say each word. Avoid fast talk shows or movies at first. Good choices include simple podcasts, textbook dialogues, or English learning videos for beginners. If you understand 70 to 80% of the words, it's right for you. Short daily practice works better than long sessions once a week. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes every morning or evening. Your brain learns better with regular small doses. Think of it like watering a plant. A little each day keeps it growing. Set a timer so you don't practice too long and lose focus. Staying motivated takes simple tricks. Write down your shadowing times like appointments. Track days in a row on a calendar. Record yourself once a week to hear progress. Find a partner to shadow with sometimes. You can use video calls. Reward yourself after each week with something small but nice. Soon, you'll be ready for more advanced shadowing techniques. But first, master these basics for at least 2 weeks. Every expert was once a beginner who showed up daily. In the next part, we'll solve common problems like feeling lost or frustrated. Remember this: 10 minutes daily changes your English faster than hours. Once in a while. Small steps create big results over time. Tomorrow when you practice, notice how each session feels slightly easier. That's progress. Now let's prepare for the challenges every learner faces and how to overcome them smoothly. Some days will feel hard, and that's normal. All learners have moments when their mouth won't cooperate or words blur together. These aren't failures. They're signs your brain is adjusting. Next, we'll turn those struggles into stepping stones with practical solutions anyone can use. The best way to improve your English is simpler than you think. Just 5 minutes of shadowing daily makes a real difference. Your ears and mouth learn together naturally. The method works because you practice real speech patterns. Now you know how to start and solve common problems. Remember to pick easy material, go slow at first, and practice regularly. Even when it feels hard, keep going. Every shadowing session helps your brain learn. Today is the best day to begin. Find a short audio clip you like. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Try your first shadowing session now. Tomorrow, do it again. Start the 3-sentence challenge today. Set 3 reminders throughout your day, morning, afternoon, and night, and think in English for just a few seconds. Trust me, it works. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm posting more tips and tricks to help you speak English naturally without the extra step of translation. Let's unlock your fluency together. See you in the next video.